Graco 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat. Hi there, and welcome to our channel My Mum's Choice. Today, we are going to dive deep into the incredible features of the Graco 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. You know, when it comes to keeping your child safe while on the road, Graco has always been a name you can trust. But what makes the 4Ever DLX so special? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it offers 5 incredible modes. From a rear-facing harness for your infants to a forward-facing harness for toddlers, and even a high-back belt positioning booster for the older kids. But it doesn't stop there. It also converts into a backless booster and a seat belt trainer. Yes, you heard that right. It's like having 5 car seats in one. But that's not all. The Graco 4Ever DLX comes equipped with the No-Rethread Simply Safe Adjust Harness System. This means you can adjust the height of the headrest and harness in one simple motion, ensuring the perfect fit for your child at every stage of their growth. Installation? Don't worry, it's a breeze with the SnugLock technology. Whether you prefer using the vehicle seat belt or the latch system, you'll have this seat securely in place in no time. Speaking of comfort, the 6-position recline feature guarantees that your child will be snug and comfortable throughout the journey, all while simplifying the installation process. Now, let's talk about cleanup. We all know accidents happen. But with the Graco 4Ever DLX, the rapid remove cover is machine washable, making those messy moments a lot less stressful for you. Safety is our top priority, and that's why the Graco 4Ever DLX is Graco Protectless engineered. It's designed to protect your child in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. You can have peace of mind knowing your little one is secure. So there you have it, folks, the Graco 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat. It's the only car seat you'll ever need, from your baby's first ride to their preteen years. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in child safety and parenting tips. Until next time, drive safely and take care.